Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Enjoy English Talks, where every conversation helps you learn. I'm Judy.
Hello, Judy. Hello, everyone. I'm Jake. How are you today, Judy?
I am wonderful today, thank you. I had such a nice weekend. Very quiet, very peaceful.
That sounds nice. What did you do?
Almost nothing, and that is why it was perfect.
Nothing is perfect? That is a new idea for me.
Sometimes doing nothing is the best thing you can do. And you, Jake, how was your weekend?
My weekend was busy. I cleaned my apartment, I did laundry, I went to the supermarket.
That sounds like a work day, not a weekend.
Exactly. My weekends feel like more work. I want a relaxing weekend, like yours.
Well, that is exactly our topic today.
Really? What are we talking about?
Today, we are going to follow a perfect weekend day, from morning to night. All the fun, relaxing things you can do on a day off.
A perfect weekend day. I need that in my life.
Let's build it together, step by step, from the moment you open your eyes to the moment you go to sleep.
From eyes open to eyes closed. Let's do it.
But first, we have a small request.
Yes, if you like our podcast, please click the like button.
Please subscribe to Enjoy English Talks.
And share this episode with your friends and family.
Thank you, it helps us so much.
We love our listeners.
Okay, now let's start. It is Saturday morning. Your room is dark, your bed is warm, and your alarm clock is off. No alarm today.
No alarm? That is the best feeling in the world.
The best feeling, because today you can sleep in.
Sleep in? What does sleep in mean?
Sleep in means to stay in bed longer than usual. No alarm, no rush. You wake up when your body says, okay, I'm ready. S-L-E-E-P-I-N. Sleep in.
I love sleeping in. On work days, I wake up at 7, but on weekends, I want to sleep until 10.
10 o'clock is a beautiful time to wake up on a weekend.
Sometimes I wake up at 8 and then I think, no, it is Saturday. I can sleep in, and I close my eyes again.
That is the magic of a weekend. You close your eyes and go back to sleep. No worry, no hurry.
No worry, no hurry. That is my weekend dream.
And when you finally wake up, you do not jump out of bed. You stay for a few more minutes. You check your phone, you look at the ceiling, you just enjoy the quiet.
I want that right now. Can we stop this podcast and sleep in?
Not yet, Jake. We have a whole day to plan. But first, you need to eat. And on a weekend, we eat something special. It is late morning now. Maybe 10:30, maybe 11. You're hungry, but it's too late for breakfast and too early for lunch.
Too late for breakfast, too early for lunch. So what do I eat?
You eat brunch.
Brunch? What is brunch?
Brunch is a meal between breakfast and lunch. The word is a mix, BR from breakfast and UNCH from lunch. Put them together, BRUNCH, brunch.
Breakfast plus lunch equals brunch. That is clever.
Very clever. And brunch is special. It's not a fast meal. It's slow. You sit down, you relax, you enjoy your food.
What do people eat for brunch?
Many things. Pancakes, eggs, toast with avocado, fruit, yogurt, and of course, coffee.
Pancakes and coffee. That's my kind of brunch.
Some people make brunch at home. Some people go to a café. Both are wonderful.
Can I make brunch at home?
Of course. You can make simple things. Scrambled eggs, toast, cut some fruit, make a big cup of coffee, put everything on a nice plate.
On a nice plate? Why does the plate matter?
Because it's the weekend. You're not eating fast before work. You're enjoying your morning. A nice plate makes the food feel special.
I usually eat cereal from the box standing in my kitchen.
On weekends, that's fine. But on weekends, sit down, use a plate, light a candle if you want. Make it special.
A candle for brunch? That is very fancy.
A little fancy is good on weekends. You work hard all week. You deserve a nice brunch.
I deserve brunch. I'm going to remember that every Saturday.
What about you, Jake? Do you want to make brunch at home or go to a cafe?
A cafe sounds nice. I like sitting by the window, watching people walk by.
Watching people walk by is so much fun, and it is free and very relaxing. You drink your coffee, you eat slowly, you have nowhere to be.
Nowhere to be. That is the best feeling. Brunch is not just about food, it is about the feeling.
Exactly. Brunch is about taking your time, and taking your time is what weekends are for. After brunch, you feel full and happy. The sun is shining, and you think, I want to go outside.
Outside? Where do I go?
You go to the shops, but not to buy anything. You go to browse.
Browse? What does browse mean?
Browse means to look at things in a shop without planning to buy anything. You walk around, you look, you touch things, you try things on, but you do not need to buy. B-R-O-W-S-E. Browse.
So browsing is like shopping without the shopping.
Exactly. It is relaxed. No list, no plan, just walking and looking.
I think I do this all the time. I go to a bookstore, I pick up books, I read the back cover, I put them down, and I leave.
That is browsing. You are a natural browser, Jake.
A browser? Like my computer?
Different kind of browser. But yes, both are about looking around and exploring.
Where do you like to browse, Judy?
I love browsing in bookstores and in small shops that sell candles and cups and little things for the home.
Those shops are dangerous. I go in to browse and I come out with 3 bags.
That happens to everyone. You start browsing, then you see something nice, and you think, I need this.
I do not need it, but I want it. That is the problem with browsing.
That is the beautiful problem of a weekend. No rush, no plan, just browsing and enjoying the day.
I like browsing in markets. They have fresh fruit and flowers and interesting food.
Markets are perfect for browsing. You walk slowly, you smell the bread, you look at the colors, and you feel happy.
Browsing makes you happy because there's no pressure.
No pressure. That is the key. Browsing is free. Looking is free. Enjoying is free. It is afternoon now, around 3 o'clock. Your phone rings. It's your friend.
My friend? What do they say?
They say, hey, what are you doing? Do you want to hang out?
Hang out? I hear this phrase a lot. What does hang out mean?
Hang out means to spend time with someone in a relaxed way. No big plan, no schedule, just being together and enjoying the time. H-A-N-G-O-U-T. Hang out.
Hang out. So just meeting a friend and doing nothing special?
Yes, that is hanging out. You meet at a café, you sit and talk, you walk in the park. You do nothing important, but you enjoy the company.
The company? That means the person you are with.
Yes, company means the people you are with, and good company makes everything better.
Good company. I like that. Where do people usually hang out, Judy?
Many places. A café, a park, someone's home, a bench by the river, anywhere comfortable.
What do you do when you hang out with friends?
You talk, you laugh, you share stories, you eat snacks. Sometimes you don't even talk much. You just sit together and feel comfortable.
That's real friendship. Just being together. No pressure, no plan.
Exactly. Hanging out with friends is one of the best weekend things.
Can I practice? I want to invite my friend to hang out.
Go ahead.
Hey, what are you doing today? Do you want to hang out?
I'm your friend. Hey, Jake. Sure. Where do you want to go?
How about the cafe near the park?
Sounds great. I'll be there in 30 minutes.
See you there.
Perfect. Simple and natural. That's how people make plans to hang out.
No long messages, no complicated plans, just, do you want to hang out? That's all you need.
That's all you need. And hanging out is one of my favorite weekend things.
Really? Who do you usually hang out with, Judy?
My best friend from university. We meet every 2 weeks. We sit in a cafe and talk for hours.
Hours? What do you talk about?
Everything. Work, food, movies, dreams. Sometimes we talk so much that the cafe closes.
The cafe closes. That's a long hangout.
The best hangouts are the ones where you lose track of time. It is evening now, around 7 o'clock. You had a wonderful day. You slept in, you had brunch, you browsed some shops, you hung out with your friend, and now you are home.
Home. After a full day. I'm a little tired, but the good kind of tired.
The good kind of tired. Happy tired. And now it is time for the perfect ending to a perfect weekend day.
The perfect ending? What is it?
Movie night.
Movie night. I love movie night.
First, you need to make your space cozy.
Cozy. What does cozy mean?
Cozy means warm, comfortable, and relaxing. It is a feeling. You are on a soft sofa, you have a warm blanket, the lights are low. That feeling, that is cozy. C-O-Z-Y. Cozy.
Cozy. That is a beautiful word. My sofa is very cozy.
Good. So how do you make a cozy movie night?
I sit on the sofa and press play?
You can do more than that. Turn off the big lights. Use a small lamp or candles. Get a soft blanket. Wear your most comfortable clothes.
Comfortable clothes, like my old t-shirt and sweatpants?
Perfect. Very cozy. The best clothes for movie night.
And snacks. I need snacks for movie night.
Of course. Popcorn is the classic choice, but you can have anything. Chips, chocolate, tea, hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate and popcorn on a cozy sofa with a blanket? That is my perfect evening.
Now choose your movie. What kind of movies do you like, Jake?
I like funny movies, comedies. They make me laugh after a long day.
I like dramas, movies that make me feel something deep.
Do you watch movies alone or with someone?
Both. Sometimes I watch alone. It is very peaceful, just me and the movie. Sometimes I watch with a friend, and we share popcorn and talk about the movie after.
I like watching with friends. You can say, "Did you see that part?" And they say, "Yes," and you both laugh.
That is the fun of watching together.
Do you ever fall asleep during a movie?
Sometimes, when it is very cozy and the movie is very long, yes, I fall asleep. And that is okay.
You fall asleep because you're so comfortable. Your body says, "Time to rest." That is the most cozy thing.
That is true. The movie ends, or maybe you fall asleep, and your perfect weekend day is complete.
A cozy movie night. The perfect end to a perfect day.
And that is a perfect weekend day, from morning to night. Let me walk through it one more time.
Yes, let me remember the whole day.
You wake up late. You sleep in. No alarm, no rush.
Sleep in, the best way to start a weekend.
You make brunch, a slow, special meal. Pancakes, eggs, coffee on a nice plate.
Brunch, half breakfast, half lunch, all delicious.
You go out and browse. Walk around shops, look at things, enjoy the moment.
Browse, shopping without the shopping.
You hang out with a friend, meet at a café, talk, laugh, enjoy good company.
Hang out, just being together.
And you end the day with a cozy movie night. Blankets, popcorn, a good movie.
Cozy, warm, comfortable, and perfect.
5 things, one perfect day.
Sleep in, brunch, browse, hang out, cozy movie night. That is my new weekend plan.
And here's the important thing. You do not need to do all 5. Maybe you only sleep in and have brunch. Maybe you only hang out with a friend. Even one of these things can make your weekend special.
Even one thing. That is good to know, because sometimes my weekend is short.
A perfect weekend is not about doing everything. It's about enjoying something, even a small something.
A small something, like a cozy cup of coffee on the sofa.
That is a perfect weekend too. Okay, let's review.
Yes, let's see what we learned.
Today, we followed a perfect weekend day, from morning to night. 5 scenes, 5 new words.
Yes, first, sleep in. S-L-E-E-P-I-N. Stay in bed late. No alarm, no rush.
Then brunch. B-R-U-N-C-H. A meal between breakfast and lunch. Slow and special.
Then browse. B-R-O-W-S-E. Look at things in shops without planning to buy.
Then hang out. H-A-N-G-O-U-T. Spend time with friends in a relaxed way.
And finally, cozy. C-O-Z-Y. Warm, comfortable, and relaxing. Perfect for movie night.
Perfect. You remembered everything.
I learned a lot today.
Me too. Well, that's all the time we have for today.
Thank you so much for listening to Enjoy English Talks.
Yes, thank you, everyone. It was fun.
Please subscribe to Enjoy English Talks
Give this episode a like.
and share it with a friend.
Now we have a question for you today.
Yes, please leave a comment below.
Tell us, what is your perfect weekend? What do you like to do?
We would love to read your answers.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing your English.